Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this mermaid cake for Charlotte's 4th birthday. First, the client requested some pastel colors, purple, blue and pink. So I started by making the purple fondant and used this silicone mold to create the mermaid tails. I also made a few smaller ones for variety. Next, I used this shell mold to make some starfish, shells and corals. For the sea plants, I rolled out my fondant, cut it into thin strips like this, and twisted each one from top to bottom to look like seagrass. I also made a big shell topper using this template. I traced it onto pink fondant, added some lines for texture, inserted a floral wire at the back, and attached another layer of fondant to make it thicker and sturdy enough to stand upright on the cake. Then I extruded some purple fondant to add more definitions to the lines. For Charlotte's name and the number 4, I used edible prints as a guide. Traced them onto purple fondant, cut them out, and attached the number 4 onto the shell topper. Now onto the cake itself. It's a vanilla butter cake with Swiss meringue buttercream and strawberry jam filling. I stacked 4 layers, brushed each with sugar syrup to keep them extra moist, and covered the whole cake in Swiss meringue buttercream. For the final coat, I added the 3 pastel colors, purple for the bottom, light blue in the middle, and pink on top. I smoothed the buttercream several times, adding more as needed until I was happy with the finish. A cake scraper really helps with this step. Next, I piped some borders around the edges and started placing all the mermaid tails and all the decorations I made earlier. I arranged the fondant decorations all around the cake and on top. Then I piped a few more buttercream details and sprinkled tiny white edible pearls to complete the look. And there you go, a beautiful mermaid cake for Charlotte's 4th birthday. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.